Hi guys, if you have this type of machine, washing machine, and there is water inside, if there is water inside here, this is how you can clean it. So this type of machine again, do you recognize it? Then there is some mud inside the water, some stones that stop the water from getting out. And first time you have to clean here. This is a water pump that takes the water outside. So here's the first thing to clean. And then if let's say you clean it here 10 times, and then if you still have water inside, you have to clean this. This is harder to get to, so if you have to reach here and clean here, I will teach you how to dismantle everything, almost everything, so you can reach here and clean this. What did I found? I found these stones that come from the water. In time, and this stops your water from getting out because it blocks everything. And if you can easily clean this area from outside without dismantle everything, you cannot clean it here without dismantle, because look, this is the position, and it's very hard because it's not a pipe, this is rubber. It's very hard to insert something here and clean inside. Okay, so you need to dismantle and clean this too. Maybe next time this ring was like this, and if you want to go to go somewhere from behind, you couldn't, but next time I will let this ring like this, and maybe I could get from bottom up without dismantle the whole thing. Okay, so this is the simplest part. In the left lower bottom, clean here. You feel the water pump, and this is the hard part. Now I will show you how to put everything back, so you know how to dismantle and put it back. We will make an improvement. Instead of mounting this ring up, so you have to dismantle everything to get here, I will put this like this, so you can lift your machine, open this from downside, from the bottom, and take this out and clean it, and take this out and clean it. Okay, so a slight improvement. Okay, so I put it back. The dismantle stuff is now on the bottom. So see you in 5 years. We are going to put back the front panel. It has an electrical connector. Fortunately enough, it enters only in one position, with this to the machine. Okay, and then put this wire support back. It's back now. All you have to do is put the front panel. It's shifted on a vertical line from bottom to the top. In order to put it back or dismantle it, you have to work under it. If you see, there are two here. And two more here to dismantle in order to take the front out. So I will put them back. Then I put back the front panel, which has here 1, 2, 3 places to dismantle and 1 on the side, this one. So 4 to take it out. I'll put them back. Okay, everything is mounted now. We have to put back this one. Okay, so I'll put it back and then move the ring from here to here. It's done. Okay, now I'll put this back. This is the simplest part to put back. And if you want to take out, just press here. Press here, take it out. Good. Now we'll put back the top. The top is fixed in 2 places. It's fixed here in the back and here. So you start dismantle in these 2 places in the back. Now the top is in position, and the hard part, the main door, and the hardest part, this. Whoops, wrong. I took the top out to check if this pipe goes directly here. Throws water here. Okay. So we'll do this first and then we'll put the top. This is the hardest part because in order to fix this, we need to put back this ring all around so it stays in position. This is the hardest part. You have to put the rubber into its position around this and then put the ring. Okay, so the rubber should be in his position around the metal. hour later, it's a done job. So put the rubber into position, then keep it fixed, and with a screwdriver pass the ring over easy until it's in the position. Good. Now the main door. The main door is going to be fixed here and here. Let's do it. Okay, two of them are in position. Now we have a door. Check it. A locking door. Don't forget that we dismantle the electrical circuit here. If something is not working, check this again. And we dismantle this. If something is not working, check this. I put the top back again, and now the water, final things. So here comes the water. It was closed during all this process. And here comes the water out. So let the water go out. Should we start it? There is one thing that we didn't put back. It's a design stuff that goes down here. When you want to take out, you have one bolt here, and then some clips, so you have to pull it out. I will let it out for now. This is not a design thing, you have to put it back so you get all the water stay inside and go on the pipe, not in your house. Good. So let's review. Inside the water that we are drinking is stuff like this. Oops, even some coins. I cannot believe it. So you could use stuff like this. You can clean the main thing that we put the last one back, or dismantle everything. So it's a problem if you have too much money or too less money. Don't forget to turn back the water and check if they are leaking. Looks okay. Okay. Close inside. Should we start it? No way! No way! Are we brave enough to do this? Okay, I'll press the button and get out of this room. Run! Run for your life! Oops. Seems okay. See you in 2 hours.